Okay, so we're still working on trying to actually get um, the methods to return the values I'm expecting. So when I run, let me go back and let's see if I can bring up. Let's see. Let me get to the right place here and show you what I'm talking about. Trying to find the right thing. Actually, I can show you this. So here's the issue. When I try to run it, this send. Let me bring it up so I can move it. So this send here, when I try to actually run the example, this one actually returns, but it does not return, it doesn't seem to return what I think it's going to, which is an actual address. So when I try to go and get the cost, and I send it from the address, which I think the contract's from, it says, nope, I don't know about this. And I think that may have to do with the fact that when I deployed it initially, I deployed it with a different address. So this is something to look at, because what we're trying to do here is deploy it with the address that you give it, which is here. Right here. And it should, this is the recipient, it should use this as the deployed address. And let's see if we can bring up I'm just going to bring up Ganache. Okay, let's see here. So I have a bunch of contract calls, and whoop, I don't know what I did there. What I'm not seeing is contract creation. So this is created with the address that we were using, but for some reason it's not picking it up. It could be that an earlier contract that it, for example here, This may have used a different address. I'd use the same one. So anyway, that's the issue we're running into in terms of trying to get this to work the way we want. And we're still fighting with this. It's very interesting. But that's a key thing. The two issues, that and the fact that I'm expecting a value to be returned and it's not, even though when I run things in Remix, it is in fact returning the value. So I am not 100% sure what's going on there and why it works perfectly in Remix, same contract, but is not returning values in E3. So that's something I'm going to have to look up. One thing I want to mention that is unrelated, I was doing some research yesterday and I came across the Radix platform with the different new language that let's see, that I forget what they called it, but it looks very interesting. The main thing that they talk about in the article I read is the language is called Scrypto, Scrypto. And the idea is, they say that Solidity developers spend too much time looking at trying to secure their code. So the idea with this is that it's more naturally secure. So anyway, that's about what I got for today. Still work to be done here. And I will speak to you next time. Again, if you're finding this series helpful, useful, trying to go through the pain so you don't have to, please give a like, please subscribe, please ring the bell, and please share with your friends who might be interested. My Solidity report is still up there, and I will speak to you next time.